Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Bonnie G's here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a what's in my cart. And yeah, I wanted to bring more fashion content to this channel because that's what this channel actually started out as, but I shifted into making like more hair content and I'm just not on that wave anymore. I never really enjoyed doing my hair, but yeah, whatever. I'm not doing that kind of content anymore. I may do hair videos every now and then, but I really want to hone in on fashion content here on this channel. My last video was a fashion video and it did really well. It was a try on haul, and I did that a long time ago, and I've taken a hiatus from my YouTube channel. Not intentionally, it just kind of always happens like that. I get distracted with school and other things, and I have so many ideas but never really sit down and execute them. So I am making a promise to myself that I will sit down and make these videos, especially because now we have all the time in the world. Before I get into it, well, I guess by the end of this video, if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, because hopefully you will be getting notifications every week for the videos that I put up on this channel. But if you like this type of content, be sure to comment down below and tell me what you think. Also leave a thumbs up because that really helps me. And yeah, let's get into the video. The first store that we're going to be looking at is Urban Outfitters, and I'm going to get into the accessories that I picked out first. The first thing that I want to look at is this really cute crochet Docker hat. This is so cute. I love the trend of like girls wearing hats that are more like masculine, like either the fitted caps or hats that are more geared towards like men. I love mixing with like male or masculine clothing and like feminine clothing and mixing those two energies together. I feel like that's really dope, and it's a fun way to play with fashion and make things look cuter. I really like the yellow one. The yellow one is super cute. I feel like yellow is a great color to have in your wardrobe. It really pops. So yeah. I also have another hat here that I was looking at, and it is this Supreme New Era beanie that I think is super cute. One thing about me is that orange is my favorite color, but I love those super bright, bold oranges. This orange is perfect. I feel like it's great for fall. It would go with so many things. Like, you can pair it with so many colors. I feel like this color in green, this color in purple, even with blue maybe, but I feel like green and purple are great contrasting colors that look really, really good with a bright orange. Yeah, a bright orange color. So that Supreme hat is $121. So I don't know if I will be getting that anytime soon. That's a lot of money on a beanie. Like, that beanie better last me for the rest of my life. Like, my kids better be able to wear that beanie. But yeah, that beanie comes in at $121. So that would be a bit of a splurge. And another really cute item that I picked out, these are the things that really make your outfits, that really make things pop, that you don't think about, but they add those details. But I think these Crew Champion socks are super cute. I feel like they would add so much to an outfit, especially if you wear like a nice chunky sneaker and these socks and some shorts and a hoodie. That's me. That's my uniform. That's what I wear. That's like my favorite go-to outfit. It always looks dope. So I'll definitely be getting those. I think they dropped down from $10 to $5, which I think is so much more reasonable, because $10 on one pair of socks is a lot. But the quality looks really good, the stitching and everything. It doesn't look like they'll have holes in them and fall apart and all of that. So I think they're really cute. All the clothing items that I'm showing you guys are from the men's section of Urban Outfitters, because their women's section don't have my size and the male section is more playable. So that's another tip for like fashion. If you are plus size, or you know, your size is just run bigger, I would suggest looking in the men's section. They actually have way better stuff. Like, their stuff in the men's section, especially on Urban Outfitters, is so dope. I love everything that they have on there. Like, I literally will almost buy every single thing that's in the men's section because it's just so dope. So I would definitely use that to you can definitely use that to your advantage. If you find it hard to find super cool pieces in the women's section in certain places, look at the men's sections because their sizes run bigger. And I've tried their men's sizes at Urban Outfitters, and their sizes fit their largest size. Another piece of clothing that I think is really dope for the fall is these Champion crew necks. I'm looking at 2 of them that I really like. It's like a creamish white one that I really like, and there's also a purple one. I feel like if I were able to get that orange Supreme hat and then the purple Supreme shirt and then just like some nice sweatpants and a nice chunky sneaker, I feel like that would look so good, and like gold jewelry, like that would look so good. So yeah, I really like the Supreme sweatshirts. I feel like those are really good staple pieces to have for the fall because you can wear them with so many different things. They're cozy, they give you that cozy vibe, that cozy look, and we love that. Another brand that I've been looking at, because I see this brand a lot on Urban Outfitters and I really like a lot of their pieces, but I think rugby tees are so nice. They give me like a Tyler vibe. I think they're so cute, especially when girls wear them. I think they look really cool. But this one is kind of like color blocked. It has red, purple, and like a yellowish, like a mustardy yellowish color. And it says Chinatown Market. This is so cute. It's $99, which isn't that bad, but I mean, it's a shirt, but the quality is really good. I'm even looking at the stitching down at the bottom with the tag. The quality looks really good. It looks like it'll be something that'll last a long time. So I wouldn't mind spending the money on this, but it's super cute. I love this rugby t-shirt. Granted, you could probably go thrifting and probably find a nice rugby t-shirt that is not color blocked like this, but this is just really cute. I would love to have this in my wardrobe. So I may get this, who knows. I've also been looking at this other rugby t-shirt and it has these really nice horizontal stripes. It's by, I think you pronounce it, It's Friends. But this rugby t-shirt is really cute. I'm loving the vibe of rugby t-shirts, especially for the fall and winter. Just a really cool look, and you can just make it look so nice with so many things. So this one comes in a reddish color and a blue, which I think is really dope. I love these 2 colors together. They look really nice. This is 59 bucks. So this one is a bit more reasonable than the one that was 99. So I definitely could see myself getting this. This is really cute. It goes up to a size XXL, so it's really, really nice. I would definitely hop on this piece of clothing. So yeah, so this would not be a Bonnie G's video without a hoodie, and I really like this Houston Rockets for the City hoodie sweatshirt. So cute. It's just so nice. It's a simple piece, but I feel like it looks so cool. Like you can wear with so many things. If my Fila Disruptors, my tan ones, weren't so messed up, I would definitely wear those with something like this. It's $69. The tan and the red, super nice, great colors. You can never go wrong with the hoodie. This goes up to a size XXL. Really dope. I'm not a big fan of things with drawstrings on them, but I feel like you'll be fine. I just hate when my drawstrings get caught up in the hoodie, but it's okay. It's cute. I would wear this with a lot of different things, sweatpants, jeans. You can really do a lot with this, but this is more of a simple piece that you can just throw on whenever. I think it's really cool. Even if you wear like a fitted cap with it, like you could do a lot with some of these pieces if you just find the right accessories. I feel like the accessories really bring outfits together. But I love this Houston Rockets sweatshirt. So another top that I've been looking at is this really cute Boondocks top with Riley and Huey on it. It's just really cute. I have a whole outfit concept in my head for this shirt and this next item that I'm actually going to show you guys that I think is really, really cute. So the last piece of clothing that I have here in my cart is this super cute bandana quilted shirt jacket that I am getting. I absolutely will have this in my wardrobe because it is so cute. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. I love this. It's so cute. It's so nice. I don't even know what else to say about it. It's so cute. I love the blues in it. Has a dark blue, a light blue. This bandana trend is super popular. I've seen it on a lot of celebrities. I've seen it like when people have it in their bags. They have handbags with the bandana print all over it. I've seen a lot of t-shirts with the bandana print. I feel like bandana print can be either really tacky and ugly and not look nice, or it can be really, really cute. This is one of those items that are really, really cute, that I absolutely love. Have to have this. I will have this. I have a whole outfit concept in my head. I'm gonna have to shoot an OOTD and put it up here for you guys because I think this is such a cute piece of clothing. That's everything that I have in my cart in Urban Outfitters. So I'm gonna move over to ASOS and show you guys what I have over there. If you guys like this video and you want another in my cart video, because I don't know how this video would do, but if you want another in my cart video, I would definitely shoot that and show you guys the clothing items that I picked out from the female plus size section in some other stores and ASOS and stuff like that. Okay, so the first pair of shoes that I have here are these Converse Run Star Hike High sneakers in white. This white, tan, and black combination off the rip is just great. It's fall, it's beautiful, it's lovely. I would love to wear this with that Rockets sweatshirt and some jeans, or even some sweatpants. I'm such a sweatpants person. I love sweatpants or like sweat shorts. I live in Atlanta, so I feel like for a while you still get away with like sweat shorts, but pretty soon it is going to get cold. But I feel like right now you can still get away with the sweat shorts vibe. But these are super cute. I can never get my hands on these. They don't have my size right now. Oh no, okay, no they don't. They're always out. So hopefully they come back in stock. I always catch these sneakers on here, but I guess I'm not quick enough because they never have my size and I can never get them. And every time I'm ready to purchase, they don't have my size. So y'all gotta do better. Save your girl some sneakers, because I've been trying to get these sneakers for like, I feel like a year now. I've been looking at this type of sneaker, not specifically this pair, but this type of sneaker. Also, I have these Nike Shox on here that I really, really love. I have the Nike Shox in white, black, and orange. These are in blue, purple, and orange, black, and white. Just super cute. I love this colorway. These are $112. They were $150, so they did come down on price. These sneakers are super comfortable. I love these. And I would love to have it in these colors. I really want the ones that SZA had on in the Hit Different video. They were so cute. They were just like pink and white, I think. So cute. I wonder if she like custom, those are custom, but those are really cute. But these are dope. I love the purple in them. Purple and orange are a great combination. I love that combination. The ones that I have, they fit really nice. They just feel really good on the foot, and I can wear them with so many different things. I feel like they really fit nice. It kind of gives you like a running shoe slash dad shoe kind of vibe, so I really like these. I also have these New Balance 530 High Vis sneakers in black and pink. Super cute. I love these. These would be a great shoe to like work out in, or like just take walks in type. This is that type of shoe. It's not I feel like you can style it with a lot of things, but I feel like it's not more so a fashion shoe, it's more of like a casual shoe. I like it a lot. A casual sneaker. I like these a lot. I can see myself wearing these with a lot of different things. They have a lot of New Balances on here. I guess they're making like a comeback. They have a whole bunch of New Balance sneakers on here that are really cute. Because I also have these New Balances that are in black and gold that I think are really casual, cool, cute, great for the fall. I don't have a lot of black sneakers. I just got 2 new pairs of sneakers. I got a black and white and a black. So I'm kind of trying to build up my black sneakers because I have so many crazy colors: orange, purple, green, blue. So I want to get more basic sneakers. So I feel like these black ones would be really nice. They're in, I would give them in a size 9, but They're 77 bucks, which is not that bad, not that bad, because sneakers can be really expensive. So yeah, these are really cute. And I also had the last pair of sneakers that I have on here are also New Balances. These are really cute. They give me like an 80s vibe, kinda 80s 90s vibe. These are really cute. These are the Varsity logo sneakers in white. They have white, blue, yellow, and pink in them, which I think is really cute. I love these sneakers a lot. I would wear these with I would probably do, you know how a lot of people do those like dresses and sneakers looks, which I've done before. I've done like the dress and sneakers look. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you want to see like my outfits and stuff like that. I'm going to be posting more, but I love the look of wearing like sneakers, socks, dress. I think that's really cute and cool. I love that whole vibe. So these are definitely a pair of sneakers that I probably would do that with. Now the type of dress I would do it with, I don't know, but I feel like it would come together really cute. But okay, you guys, so that is everything that I have in my cart. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be coming with more content in the very near future. I hope that this gave you some inspiration to go shopping. I don't know. But I enjoyed making this video for you guys. So if you like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Hopefully I'll be posting more videos. No, I am. I will post more videos on this channel. And if you guys have been rocking with me from the beginning or for a while now, I know it's not a lot of you, but if you've been rocking with me, thank you so much for still being subscribed to this channel and supporting me, even though I take really long breaks, and I really want to stop doing that. So let's hope that we can keep this up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.